find out the coach and the seat or the berth number using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily find out the details of your seat and the coach number from your PNR number. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice like the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. And once you're inside your web browser, simply search for IRCTC and then hit the enter button. And now you can see the first link, that is from irctc.co.in. So simply click onto this first link and you will be landed onto the official IRCTC website. So click onto this OK button in order to dismiss the warning, and then you have this interface right here. So simply hover your cursor towards this train option and it will open a set of different menu. Now from here you have different types of option and you can click onto this PNR inquiry. Once you click onto this PNR inquiry, you need to enter the PNR number which is present over the top side of your train ticket PDF. So simply simply enter the PNR number and then click onto this get status button. And once you will do this, you might need to log in. So if you don't want to log in, then what you can do is simply get back and go to the home tab and then click onto this PNR status. Once you will do this, you need to again enter the PNR number right here and then click onto this submit button and solve this captcha. Once you will solve this, click onto this submit button and you will get an interface like this from where you can get the seat number of your train. So as here you can see, this is the booking status, and under the booking status you can see that the seat is confirmed and B2 is the coach number. The berth number is 45, which is the middle berth in the coach. But always make sure that instead of the booking status you should always look for the current status. So in this particular ticket, the case is that the current status is cancelled. So this means that the current ticket is invalid and it has been cancelled. But in your case, if you have not cancelled the ticket or it has not cancelled, then a similar format will appear over to this column as well, starting with the current status of the ticket or the seat, and then the coach number, the seat number, and the seat or the berth position as well. So using this you can simply identify the current status of your seat and the coach number in which it is present. So that was all for this simple tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.